we are asked which rectangles have the same perimeter. Choose all answers that apply. So why don't you pause this video and try this before we do this together. Okay, so let's just remind ourselves what perimeter even is. It's the distance going around the outside of a figure like these. So we just have to figure out the distance going around the outside. We could just count the distance because they have all these units already marked off, or we could just measure them and add the lengths of each of the four sides because these are all rectangles. So in this top one, let's see, this top is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units long, or wide, I could say. And so that means it's also going to be 9 units down here. And then how tall is it? 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So this is 4 units. And so this would also be 4 units. And so the perimeter is going to be 9 plus 4. Let me do that. So it's going to be, or I could do 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9, plus 4 plus 4, plus 4 plus 4. And that is going to be equal to, let's see, this is 18 plus 16. Oh, sorry, not 16. 18 plus 8. What's my brain doing? 18 plus 8 is going to be 26. And these are just units. They're not telling us that they're meters or centimeters or anything like that. So I'll just say units. That's the perimeter of this first figure. Now let's look at this figure over here. And ignore that. That might distract us. All right. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A width of 10. So that means down here is also going to be 10. And then its height is 2. That's 2. And so this is 2 as well. So its perimeter is going to be 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, plus 10 plus 10, plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is going to be 24 units. So these definitely don't have the same perimeter. Let's look at this last one here. So in this last one, if I were to look at the width, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7 units. So down here is going to be 7 units as well. And if I were to look at this height, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6. And so this is going to be 6 as well. So the perimeter is this length plus this length, 6 plus 6, plus that length up there, plus 7, plus this length down here. I could have changed the order. I could have gone 7 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6 just to get where I started. But that's the same thing as this. And so this is the same thing as 12 plus 14. 12 plus 14, which is equal to 26 units. So the ones that have the same perimeter are the first one and the last one.